a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say every day above. And now under y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang eating show. Y'all please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse me. So today we're gonna do a Coke and Sprite. Which one can give me a big old burp? So it's the Sprite and Coke showdown. Let's get it started. Let's just jump right into it because I know I'm late, y'all. So we're gonna start with Sprite. That's one. Ooh! Should have drank some more. Ooh, this Sprite hitting tonight, y'all. Shit, maybe I just do Sprite showdown. How y'all doing? Ooh. Yes. I had to beat the table. I must say, Sprite is doing it tonight. I hope Coke can keep up, because those are some good ones. And thank y'all all for the love. Burpers. Love y'all so much. Oh shit! Woo! Y'all, the way this Sprite hitting tonight, I ain't never had a Sprite that hit so good. I think I just might finish it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to this, because I didn't expect to finish this. Ooh, that's really hitting good tonight. Y'all, I downed it. It was doing so good. I downed it. So tomorrow we'll do this one. So it was short and quick, straight to the point. Ooh, y'all, drinking all that soda. Okay. Trying to see if something else down there want to come out. That was a lot. 1.25 liters. Anyway, think that's it. It feels like it's another one down there. Ooh. Ooh. Well, because it's so late, y'all, I'm gonna end it now. Love y'all, and I see you.